Okay, recording. This is Eve. Oh gosh, I don't know how I'll look. This is scary. Turning the camera on myself. Ooh, help. Probably don't look that good. Hi. Ooh. Okay, you hear that buzz? You can hear the highway? Because there's cars going by. But if you listen real closely, this is our yard. It's very dry. These are dead pine trees. And if you hear that buzzing, I don't know if you can or not. Those are them cicadas. Not the fire in the gun in the distance, but these are dead pine needles. This is an exoskeleton of a cicada or cicada. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. There's not a bug in there. I guess they escaped from their thing. I wouldn't have known that. One of my friends told me what it was. Otherwise, I never knew. And if you hear the buzzing, let me know. 'Cause I don't know how good this is gonna be, but okay, so we got cicadas in Minnesota. This is my icky front yard, full of pine trees and pine needles. Duplex. Car. My dad's Jeep. It's got a couple dents in it. Garage. This is a Chrysler Sebring. It's used, but gets me from point A to B. Here I am. And backyard is where the Highway 10 is. And this is what happens when you have too many pine trees. Every fall, since it's been dry, you get leaves. Are you dizzy yet? And this is Highway 10. Not as many trees here. House. Pine needles on roof. Hope that buzzing comes through. And then as we go to Highway 10, okay, this is what they did. They dug up all the trees. And then I can see McDonald's from my house, really. If I had a zoom, I could zoom it in, but so this is my view from my backyard. They're supposed to put up a retaining wall in next year maybe. So right across there is Rice Elementary School. I think I'm gonna cut this for now. I'm gonna see how long it is. I don't even know where them cicadas are. Okay. Bye!